Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. I want to show you this 1986 Chevy Silverado K10 pickup truck. Now, this truck is brown and tan two-tone, as you can tell. This truck has been completely restored. The body has been off the frame. This truck came from Montana, so it's a super clean truck. Body is very nice. Underneath the truck is very nice as well. The frame was all taken down and painted with Pour 15. It was primered and then painted with Pour 15. This truck is absolutely gorgeous. I love this color combination. This dark brown over a light tan bottom. This thing is absolutely stunning. The interior in this truck was all redone. You can see new kick plates. New carpet, the seat was reupholstered, the dash pad is new, the headliner is new, the door panels are new radio in it. Those are all new. Bottom carpeted plates there are all new. Super nice, clean pickup truck. It's got some 6x9 speakers behind the seat there. The dome light works, the cargo lamp works. Original owner's manual and some additional restoration paperwork are there in the glove box. And just check out these doors. Check out the shape of these doors. There's the bottoms of these things. Look at that. These are the original doors on this truck. The gentleman told me he restored the truck and seals are really tight on the doors yet. The gentleman told me he restored the truck. There was no body panels replaced other than one cab corner on the truck. Other than that, the thing is all original body panels as far as he knows. 76,000 miles, I think it does say on there. There's the two paint cans that he used, two colors on this truck. He saved them, which is a nice thing. That way you have the paint codes. They will go with the truck, of course. Brand new Cooper Discover AT3s on it. The correct rally wheels with center caps and beauty rings. Man, what a gorgeous truck. Spray on bed liner, new bumpers, front and rear, new Silverado molding, new wheel well trim. 350 engine, 700 R4 overdrive transmission. Very pretty truck. This was honestly one of my favorite color combinations on these trucks. It's so sharp, and I think it's a very classy combination. Like I say, the body on this truck's super nice. New paint, interior. There's that too. All the way down. Just very nice. 79,000 original miles in the truck. It's got a new retro radio in it. Blower motor works, does have dual tanks. Looks like it's got a new switching valve from the dual tanks. Horn works. Wipers work. Try to turn them off. That one, the door's still shut really tight. They say them seals are all brand new too. Underneath the hood's nice. Power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning. I think the air conditioning needs to be charged. Everything's there. I think it'll work, but it might need to be charged. Tail lights, turn signals. We got one light here. Must have one bad ground on one of them sockets there, because that turn signal kind of flashes like that. So I think that might be have a ground issue. But we'll look that over. We'll get that fixed for you. www.kenyonauto.com. K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every single day. So if you're interested in this 86 Chevrolet K10 four-wheel drive Silverado square body truck, or maybe one of the other pickup trucks we have in stock, or one of the collector cars we have in stock, please give us a call. Our phone number, 563-452-2450. Our website again, www.kinyonauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. And please click the subscribe button on here on YouTube. That way you never miss another quality collector car, muscle car that we get into our inventory. I hope everyone has a great afternoon. It is Friday, so enjoy the weekend. Enjoy the weekend with your family. And if you want to do some web surfing, or if you want to come visit us here at Kenyon Classics, you're always welcome. We are located at 101 Industrial Park Drive in Clarence, Iowa, 52216. We have over 125 collector cars in stock. They are not all on our website. They're not all listed for sale yet. We have that many cars. So give us a call. Enjoy your weekend. Until next time, this has been Adam at Kenyon Classic Cars. Thanks, everybody.